Is there about to be a silver breakout? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Welcome to the family. Good morning, everybody. We made it to Friday. Thank God. Finally, Friday. And happy coffee to all you early risers. Happy coffee to everybody all over the world. Silver is on a breakout, I believe, everybody. I think we have finally broken the resistance at 78, and we've done it a couple, 2 or 3 times. And I think we're going to hit the 80 resistance and the 82 resistance, and we're going to just keep on climbing with silver. There's several factors involved with that. We'll talk about that this morning. But before we get started, let's thank everybody all over the world, all over the United States, all of my viewers in all of the states, east of Oklahoma, north, south, and west of Oklahoma. We thank you so very, very much. Our southern states, northern states, all of you, everybody. Make sure you watch these videos through. You have been doing a great job at it. My regular viewers, thank you so much, because it pushes the video. The algorithm will push the video. I keep learning more and more things that YouTube is doing that really is hurting creators all over the globe, everybody. They are actually pulling subscribers away from channels. They're deleting the subscribers that haven't watched in a week or two. And they're penalizing the creators, guys. So it really hurts, but it is what it is. YouTube's big. We're little guys. We can't, we're the little channels. We can't do much about it, but we're still pushing forward. So thank you, everybody, for watching our channel. Thank you for putting up with SSC and his ADHD and my happy coffee and my throat noises and all that stuff. This is a different channel. This is not your same old gold and silver updates every day. I think despite the updates, they're always different every day. My mannerisms and my goofiness may be different every day. And I might not feel good sometimes. So it might be a little bit different. But thanks to you, you're the team, everybody. This channel is still growing. And is it slower? Yes, it's slowed down probably about 50%. Our viewers we have a lot of viewers, a lot of subscribers that are not watching. So, hey, praise God for the channel and you, my viewers. Thank you so very much from my living room to you. Let's get started on some silver and some gold, everybody. Silver has broke out. Silver has busted through the resistance of 78, and we've been high 70s and 79s and some 80s throughout the nights every day this week, everybody. So gold is starting out this morning with all you early risers. And, it's kind of funny. I think I'm one of the first ones to do updates every day. So, but gold is $4,791. It shows it's changed, or it's up $1.80, which is good, but it's actually down because we have had $4,800 gold all week. So, silver, guys, silver is up over 79 this morning. It's $79.52. I am sure it probably went down a little bit overnight. I kind of watched it before I went to sleep last night and figured it'd be close to 79 all night long. And if you were up before me, let me know. And hey, guys, make sure you hit the comment button. Let's talk about it. Let's talk to each other, everybody. And what are your predictions? This is the end of the week. So what is silver going to end up with today? What's going to happen? Are we going to hit $80 an ounce today? Are we going to break out hard? Are we going to break that 80 resistance and then move on to 82, 83, 84 resistance, and then 88, 90 resistance, guys? I think we are. I think we're heading right for $100 by July, maybe higher. I just think silver's performing so well, and there's several factors involved that's making silver go up in value, making it something that people want to hedge with. They want to take that silver and hold that silver, guys, and gold as protection, as wealth preservation. So 79.50 now on silver. When our markets open in the United States, in New York City, we'll see what drives it down then. In platinum, everybody's up to $2,087, holding strong. Palladium, $1,536. And rhodium is the same. Rhodium's at 9,600. It's either blowing your mind completely or it's doing absolutely nothing. So to me, that's not a fun investment. I want my investments to either blow my mind or freak me out, one of the two. So this is what you get, everybody. Just a goofy old boy from Oklahoma doing videos and having a good time. Hey, thank you all my Oklahoman friends and Jimbo in Oklahoma City and several of my friends down in Duncan. Don't forget the coin show comes up Friday the 1st and the 2nd of May, I think is when it is, in Norman, Oklahoma. I hope to see you folks there, some of you. I mean, if you're close to Oklahoma, make a little road trip. Come to the coin show in Norman, Oklahoma. Sure to be a good coin show at the fairgrounds there at the Cleveland County Fairgrounds, I think is where it's at. But you can Google it and you'll find it. Let's move on to Hong Kong, Mumbai, and London this morning, everybody. But coffee. Oh, love coffee in the morning. Helps me wake up, helps me get going, Sometimes it's iced tea, but coffee, and got doctor's appointment this morning, all that good stuff. So, hey, drinking coffee anyway, even though I got to do labs. Old people talk for all you 35-year-olds out there, 40. This is old people talk right here. Mumbai, Hong Kong first. Hong Kong, 47.89.60 on gold, everybody, and 78.28 on silver. Is that going to be a driver today? And 48.03 on Mumbai. So they're over 4,800 on gold and 79.13 on silver. So we got some drivers going on. London, you're doing well. You're at 47.95 on gold and 79.72 on silver. And don't forget, I'm showing some old world coins and a couple of my beautiful collection silver pieces, everybody, that I have. I have a lot, so I'll be showing some, every day if I can. And it's just a lot of fun. I really enjoy showing it to you because we know that you appreciate it as much as I do. So, London, 79.72. Okay, everybody, here's the big one. With silver doing what it's doing and gold doing what it's doing, what's the ratio today? Is it gonna break under 60? Well, we're fixing to find out. Let's move on down here. And it has not broke under 60, but it's holding strong at 60.24. So we're still 60-1. Silver still outperforming gold. I personally, even though I'm not a financial advisor, think if you want a good bet, silver is going to drive up pretty high this year. So silver is so undervalued, everybody. Way undervalued. I mean, it's almost like it's just been abused, everybody. Gold is beautiful. I love gold. Gold's always been a big hedge for many people for thousands of years. But silver is so undervalued because it's used in so many things, industrial uses and solar and AI and car batteries and cars and just electronics, all kinds of different things. It's so undervalued. and been held back for so many years. And I just don't think they can hold it back much longer. There's just too much of a deficit on silver. What do you guys think? I mean, what is your opinion on that? I mean, that's my opinion. I just don't think they're going to be able to hold silver back. There's just too much going on. Some people think that silver is going to go to $30 an ounce, $40 an ounce. I don't think so, guys. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. Could be 100% wrong on it, everybody. But at this point in time, all the signs, all the charts, all the research, all everything shows silver rocketing back up. So we're going to pick up a little bit this weekend for SSC and Mrs. SSC, and then pick up some more next week. And hey, happy coffee to that, right? Let's move on real quick. Let's go to our China markets on gold and silver. What is happening with China? Let's find it here. Okay, Shanghai right now, guys, 89.04. 89.04 on Shanghai's price. And of course, you know, they hold the premiums in their spot price, but 89.04. In India right now, everyone is 83.95. So pretty good indicator that we have broke through the resistance again. We did it on 78. They were saying 78 was the resistance. 80 is another resistance. We've hit 80 a couple times, but we really need to hit 80 and stay 80, guys. Let's move on to our gold backs. And gold backs are pretty close to the same. They've stayed about the same. They're $9.61, everybody. So if you've got gold backs, they're worth $9.61 per one gold back. So if you have a 5, just multiply 961 times 5, and that's what it's worth. Our last couple of gold backs that we're going to pick up, and then we'll be done for a while, is a 50 and a 100. Coming up, picking up a 50, I think, this week, this coming week. So, and the 100 will be maybe a week or two after that. So, goldback's doing fantastic. Our base metals, everybody, I don't know why we call copper a base metal anymore, because it's used for so many different things. It's used for industrial, everybody. It's used for everybody is collecting and stacking copper as an investment, everybody. You know, we've heard premiums for years and years and years on copper. Don't buy copper, don't buy copper. A lot of the stackers said don't buy copper, but yet now a lot of them are stacking copper. Okay, so they're stacking the beautiful copper. And when we talk about copper on Super Copper Sunday, we're going to talk about what I think is the best copper to stack now. So we're going to be talking about that and showing you stuff on Super Copper Sunday. Copper $5.96 this morning, everybody. It was $5.96 earlier, dropped just a little bit to $5.96. Nickel is another one, is going to be a good one, everybody. $8.28. I'm going to do some more research on nickel and see what it takes to mine nickel and do some other things with nickel, what the supplies and demands for nickel are too. So aluminum, $1.65. And let's see here. And zinc is $1.54, and lead is 87 cents. If you didn't know, here's a little tidbit. What's a byproduct of all these? Copper, zinc, lead, silver, right? Silver, everybody, silver. So byproduct of those metals, silver, silver, silver. And boy, do we love our silver, everybody. So fantastic. They're doing great. Let's look at our oil right now. Let's go down here. And oil, guys, is dropping. So that's going to cause, I think, the silver price to go up. And it has. Let's see here. It is $90.91 a barrel. So oil is coming down. It's fluctuated just a little bit, but it is coming down. So that's another thing that is a contributor to the price of our precious metals, everybody. So, what is one of the biggest contributors in the United States and globally to silver increase and decreases? The US dollar, everybody. The US dollar. Well, guess what's happening right now? Uh, there's some signals that are showing us that the US dollar is continuing to drop. We're below that 100. The USD right now, we're at 98.10. It actually dropped from yesterday. And when the dollar goes down, and it's signaling, hey, devaluation, well, guess what? People drive more into precious metals like silver and gold. When the dollar's at 100 plus, they're investing into that market. So when it goes down and it's signaling a downward trend, people tend to go into precious metals. So our key factors going on right now are a weaker U.S. dollar. Everybody, we have oil going down. We have massive supply and demand. We have deficits in silver. Everybody, um, it's happening. The breakout is fixing to happen. Are we going to have some dips? We very well likely could, but I believe the breakout is happening. It's not a massive breakout, but it's slow. So we're in or breakout or silver run, whatever you want to call it, bull run, resistance breakout, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is, and it's happening. And I believe once again we're back on a climb. Uh, Everybody, a lot of you have been going, hey, man, when's it going to go up? Well, it's going up, everybody. So think positive. There's nothing in the world that's negative about silver and gold, whether it goes up or goes down, everybody. Think about that. It's a positive. A positive. You've got silver goes up. Your investments rocket. Depending on how much you have, it doesn't really matter how much you have. But it goes up in value, and you get to watch that happen right here in your hands. Or it goes down, and you go, I'm going to buy. Let's go get some silver. Then you have some more stuff to play with, right? All you're doing is transferring it from one account to the other account, from this paper fiat money that's worth nothing, zilcho, to silver and gold, which is worth a lot. And you hold it and you get to see it and you don't spend it. That's the best thing in the world that I've done, is I don't spend it. So everybody, let's do one last look on our silver and gold. It's Happy Friday. We're 17 minutes in. I've got to show you some coins. Happy Friday coffee to all of you. And thank you for watching me. I appreciate you so very, very much. You have no idea. You are part of my family. And I hope I'm part of your family. And that's the way this channel is. So gold, 47.88, actually down $1.10, and silver has come down to $79.36 in our last lift. What's it going to do today? Are we going to hold 79, guys, gals? Are we going to hold the 79? Ladies, talk about it. And guys, talk about it. Let's talk about it. 79.80. What are we going to do today? We're going to drop below 78. We're still way above what it was when it started on last Sunday. So we're up for the week on silver. What's it going to end up, everybody? Let's check out some coins. Hey, before we get started on our world coins and some of my collection of my coins that I have, everybody, and forgive the camera because when I step on the wood floor has loosened up on me a little bit, so it tends to shake the camera. See this? But remember, guys, we are giving this beautiful goldback away that Goldback provided for us. It's a colorized, beautiful colorized 250th anniversary goldback PMG 67 graded number 255 of 2500, guys. 10,000 subscribers, and somebody is going to get this anniversary gold back. And I hope it's one of you, whoever it might be, whatever you're commenting, watching. 10,000 subscribers, everybody, and you're going to get a gold back. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then we have our giveaway at 9,500. Someone's going to get one of our silver stacker cracker rounds, everybody. It's got my ugly mug on it. And at 9,500 subscribers, and we're also giving a 5-ounce round away, everybody. So cool 5-ounce round at 9,500. Silver stacker cracker round at 9,500, guys. We love the giveaways. Let's check out some incredible coins. We're at 20 minutes. It's going to be a little long, but hey, watch it through, guys. We appreciate it. Look at this one, Argentina, 1960. Now, yesterday I watched a video with my buddy Ravenhawk Coins, on his channel, and at the coin shop, and they were talking about world coins, and they had some really cool world coins at their shop, and it makes me want to drive down there and check some of that stuff out and maybe pick some of the good stuff, really, really old 1700 stuff up. So Argentina 1960, beautiful coin. Ravenhawk was talking about he loves the beautiful looking coins, and if something catches his eye, well, he picks it up. So a lot of these, they're not the really old stuff, because a lot of these countries, as Raven has said, are much older than the United States. So this is considered really kind of a new coin to them, but they're still really cool to us. The grandkids will love this stuff. So let's add that one. And then we got a beautiful Jamaica, everybody, 1964, the year of Mrs. SSC, half penny. Isn't that freaking cool? I mean, that's really, really cool, everybody. Wow. I'm trying to get this where we can get it focused in. Half penny. That's a new one. That's really, really awesome. So that's another good one right there. That's another good one, everybody. 64 Jamaica. Happy coffee to that. Take a little sip of coffee here. 23 minutes in on this video. It's going a little long, guys. I really appreciate you watching it through. Bahamas 1966. We've shown these before. I've got a few of these 25 cents. But they are beautiful coins, everybody. 66 Bahamas. We will be going there soon. Within several months, we'll be in the Bahamas in the Eastern Caribbean on our cruise. It's going to be awesome. I'm excited. So last one of the world coins, and then we're heading off to a couple of my coins. Sierra Leone 1964 half cent. Another interesting coin. Very interesting coin. So let's flip her around here. 1964 Sierra Leone, everybody. World history, world coins, around for years. We've shown a couple of these, and we have more, and we're getting through them, guys. Let's move on to my collection. And this one is one that we really love, guys. Armenia. This is an incredible, incredible silver coin. AD 1198 to 1219. Really, really extra fine, nice coin. If you can see it in there, it's very hard to tell, but we love these ancient coins, especially if we can find them in silver. I'm going to get me some pieces of 8 into the collection so that I can show you that. This is really, really, really cool, everybody. Coins of the Crusades. That's pretty awesome. So that's one of the things I have. And then our last one, this video is kind of going a little long here. Germania Mint, everybody. Some of my favorite Germania copper bars, Germania silver, some of my absolute favorite Valkyries, and this bad boy. Look at this. This is absolutely fabulous. Guys, these are very pricey. They're a collectible silver, and it is just, that's just gorgeous. It is just absolutely beautiful. Um, that's why we do this 5 mark coin, everybody. 5 mark coin, beautiful coin, Valkyrie. We got coins, everybody, everywhere. Happy Friday, everybody. May God bless all of you. We pray for all of you every day. We pray that we continue to concentrate on the 80% we have, not the 20% we don't have, everybody. Long Friday video. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Guys, we're out.